pumunta tayo dito sa ating quiet boys. Kasi kahit quiet sila dyan, intense din ang nangyari. Sa sobrang intense, napatagalog si Jaren ng dire-diretso. Naalala mo yun, Jaren?
Opo. This was when we were building the tower and we were holding on to Fiang. And then manahimik. It was like all the weight of Fiang was on my shoulder. Like this guy was no help at all. And he really pushed the Tagalog out of me.
Kahiwa ko dalawa. Anong ginagawa mo, JT? Lahat ng weight dito nasa akin na. Wala kang kwenta.
Dahil dyan, gusto natin syempre matulungan si Jaren sa kanyang journey sa patuloy na pagtatagalog dito sa outside world. So, meron tayong ipapagawa kay Jaren at kay JP. So, gusto ko magbigay ng message sa isa't isa. Jaren, kailangan mo magbigay ng iyong heartfelt message para kay JP, pero sa Tagalog. At JP, kailangan magbigay ng madamdaming mensahe kay Jaren, but in English, with a British accent.
So, here we go.
Gusto na niya magsimula ka agad. Okay, JP first, with a British accent.
Just want to say that I'm very proud of you.
What's the accent?
That was
Ay,
actually...
sorry. Parang British. So, I want to say that I'm very proud of you because we were just talking about our careers inside dito. We're just talking about our careers. And I'm so proud that you're achieving your dreams. And you're not just a friend to me. You're also like a brother to me. And yun nga, recently we figured out that we're relatives. Congrats. I love you, brother.
Yun. Thank you. Relatives? As in like, anong connection?
Like very distant relatives, I'd say.
Sa
Pero
father's side.
Father's side
Opo.
mo,
Opo,
and
father's side
Father's side
ko
ni
rin.
Jaren.
literal brothers pala. Wala kang takas, Jaren. May message ka.
Okay. Naging matatag ang pagkaibigan natin. Pagkakaibigan. Kakaibigan. Pagkakaibigan natin hanggang sa labas ng bahay. Pero masaya ako na nakilala kita kasi ikaw talagang happy feel ko dito sa bahay. At I can't imagine in Tagalog.
Di ko
maisip kung anong gagawin ko sa loob ng bahay kung wala ka.
Grabe, ang layo na ng narating ni Jaren sa pagtatagalog. Palakpakan natin, Jaren!